The stock market allows you to buy and sell select stocks of different companies and is often an indicator of stock health. Today's stock market is designed to allow people to benefit from and contribute to companies while reducing individual risk. The United States has three major stock exchanges: the American Stock Exchange, AMEX, the National Association of Automated Exchanges, NASDAQ, and the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE. All three of these exchanges are very different from indices such as the Dow Jones and S&P, which are created to represent a portion of the overall market on average. Indices provide a complete picture of the market and are the most commonly referenced when discussing the health of the economy. The stock market relies on brokers, investors, exchanges, and stock traders. A stock exchange can be described as a forest of trees. Forests are full of trees that depend on large numbers of trees for survival, but the overall survival rate of an entire forest does not depend on the success of a single tree species. A stock is not just part of a company. Stocks are often referred to as small holdings in a company, but stocks usually do not imply great power. However, if you own enough stock, you can vote on company issues within the company, such as electing board members. There are two types of shares: preferred shares and common shares. Preferred shareholders do not have voting rights, but they receive a fixed amount of dividends, which makes dividend payments more stable. Because of this, they are often the least risky investment option, although they offer lower reward potential. Common stocks are what we generally think of when we think of stock trading. People who own common stock can vote on company issues, and common shareholders can also receive regular dividends. However, if the company goes bankrupt, they will be paid last. Owning shares is like owning a few trees in a forest. You can buy and sell as you like. If orange trees start to show more promising yields or become more popular than other tree species, demand will increase and the price of the trees could rise. As the orange tree thrives, it grows over time and becomes more valuable. It then bears very valuable fruit several times a year.